Hey everybody, welcome back to one very short episode of RV East Coast, right?
Right, we just want to announce the winner of our first giveaway for Country Acres Campground.
But before we do that, we want to thank you. So many really amazing comments. Thank you for liking Country Acres on Facebook. Thank you for following us on YouTube. We are trying to grow this channel and grow it into a community of people around here in the East Coast that just like camping and like having great family times. So please stick around because we have many more giveaways lined up for you.
We do. We have a lot of good stuff coming up.
Yeah, the main reason why we started this channel is that when we bought our RV, we realized that there were so many great reviews and things to do in the West Coast, but not around here. So we are trying to change that. And if you want to be a part of it, stay with us, tag along, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, because we have a lot coming up. So without further ado, should we talk about the winner?
Yeah.
Actually, let's make it back to our site and then we announce who's there. Suspense, drum roll. So, who's the winner?
So the lucky winner is Audrey Bullock Urshan from Blackbird, Delaware. Congratulations,
Yay!
Audrey.
Congratulations. We are going to be contacting you via Facebook.
And we will put you in touch with Country Acres.
And congratulations. Well, everybody, thank you so much for joining us. We have a really good review coming up next week for you. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And this is RV East Coast.